A few videos ago, y'all, I made a frozen popsicle, and I just so happens I have a popsicle mold. But that recipe said put it in a little 3-ounce disposable cups, and I didn't have any of those. But today I found these. It says, hey, y'all. So I'm going to make our popsicles in these. They're a little bit too big, but I just want to show you in case you don't have a popsicle mold, what you could do. All righty. Now I've got my blender, and I'm going to start with a 3.4. I guess they're still using that same size. Yeah, 3.4 ounce of banana cream pudding. So in that goes, along with like a tablespoon of sugar, strawberries, let's see, let me make sure I got everything now, and my milk. So hopefully this is going to be a delicious, a little bit more on the healthy side. I'm going to cut that down, Teresa, and let it do its thing. I think that should get it. So let me see here. I had to get Teresa to pour it in these because it's a tiny hole. No, this cup, I can see in that cup, but those little skinny, I had a hard time seeing it. All right, so we'll divide this amongst our cups. And I'm not going to fill them all the way up. It looks to be about the same. Look at that. That worked out perfect, y'all. I love it when a good plan comes together. All right. And hopefully this cling wrap will stick to those cups. Plastic wrap's not one of my favorite things to deal with. Just make me a little hole for my spoon, because we got to have a handle. I think it'll hold it. Clean my foot. Clings to your hands. But I just want it to cling so that spoon will stand up straight. All right, I've moved. There we go. You know what I think I'm going to do, Teresa?
What?
Just to make my life a little bit easier. Like I said, not my favorite thing to work with, but
you could still use tempeh if you want to.
yeah. I didn't think
it would be easier.
I didn't think about that. Teresa, you're so smart.
Instead of doing all of what you're doing.
I know it. I'm just going to tape it. Oh, heavens. So, yes. That would be great. That would be great. That's why I love having more than one person in my kitchen, because usually between the two of us, we can come up with something. You is so smart. You is kind. You is smart. I don't know. I don't remember what the other things were. You is way smart.
There you go.
Teresa went to college. I just rode by it. I forgot to stop and go in.
There we go. And I'm going to do
Thank
the last
you.
one for you.
Okay. Perfect. Perfect, perfect.
That was painful watching you.
I know.
There you go.
I was just trying to keep something I could see, see through.
Mm-hmm.
I was a dummy. I was a dummy.
They ready to go in the freezer?
Sure is. Okay, y'all, it's a new day today. I let our popsicle stay in that freezer overnight. So I'm going to sample them. I've got some warm water right here. So just to help me get it out of the cup, I'm going to stick it down in that warm water and just help work it loose.
And again.
Mm-hmm. This is not like boiling water. It's just warm water because I don't want it to melt. See, just like that, Michael. I bet you wish you had one. Don't you?
Yes.
Mm. You know what it reminds me of, Michael?
Popsicle.
No, homemade strawberry ice cream.
Mm.
So good, y'all. But you know what? I got to share this with my sweet boy. As Aunt Peggy calls him, her main man. He ain't mine, he's hers. Enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's a great summer treat for your children.
Look it.
Isn't it delicious? It tastes like homemade strawberry ice cream. So y'all make it and enjoy. The children will love you for it. Love and best dishes, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.